I will be doing another lip swatch. I know you guys love my lip swatch video, and I wanted to show you guys this new brand. It's called Neker, and this you are able to get it at Sthsweet. I will link it down below. You guys can go follow them on Instagram too. Anyway, they were so kind to send me an extra mask too. This is the etiqa soft fit mask in lemon yellow. I'll show you guys, and it's from a Korean brand. It looks like that. It looks like a super soft one. I will open it up and tell you guys my first impression. Looks like that. It has quite a rubbery kind of texture. It's like a soft fabric rubbery kind of texture, and it's doesn't have too much of a fragrance, so which is good. I like it, and I think it will be really comfortable. It's really soft, and the color is so vibrant though. Okay, anyways, apart from the mask, today I will be focusing more on the lip swatch, and these are the lipsticks that they have sent over. It's like a liquid lipstick, but I would say that it's a lot more moisturizing as compared to other liquid lipstick on the market. So okay, so this is actually a Sthsweet lip lacquer, and they have so many cute shades. And can you just look at the packaging? Super duper sleek. I love it, and today we will be reviewing all of them, and I actually have tried most of them already, and my favorite one would be this in Sponge Brown 01. This has like kind of like the most my lips but better shade, and as you can see, right, look at it, it's a really nice muted pink, peachy muted pink, and it's really like a sweet kind of consistency. And if you want to build it up, you can just layer a few more on top of your lips. Other than that, like if you want to like tap it and just like have a more like my lips but better shade, right, you can just like pat it on your lips, and when it's patted out, like blended out, it looks like that. Pretty cute, right? You can use it on your cheeks and you can use it on your lips too. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead with the lip swatch.